Good morning, everyone. So today I am going to show you how you can create an online quiz using the site Quizzes. So on your Google, you just have to type Quizzes. So Quizzes is rebranded now to Wayground. So according here, Quizzes is or Wayground is evolving into an AI-supported teacher-first supplemental curriculum platform. So it bridged district priorities and classroom realities. So let us now explore quizzes or waygrounds. Click login. So if you do not have an account yet, you just have to click create a free account or sign up. So in my case, I already have an account, so I will just continue with Google and click the email that I have registered. So I have actually already explored quizzes right after our session. So that is why I have already tried creating my own question. So the question that I have tried making is about the subject-verb agreement. So it's a 5-item question. So today I am going to show you how exactly I did this example quiz. So just click home. So on your home page, you will see create, search, and upload. So since we're going to make our own quiz, so let's click create. So in create, there are also several options. You have assessment, presentation, video, passage, and flashcard. So what we're going to make is a quiz. So let's click assessment. So if you have already made a quiz, you can actually upload it here. Let's say it came from your device or your Google Drive, so just click any of these two. But what I am going to show you today is how to create a quiz from scratch. So let's click this one. So upon clicking that, you will see here several types of questions down to the bottom. So in creating a quiz, you can actually type a related topic or keyword and it will prompt you with several examples of quizzes. So let's say we're going to create another quiz for subject-verb agreement. So just type subject-verb agreement and it will automatically lead you to ready-made questions, uploaded questions. So here you will see several questions applicable for several questions about subject-verb agreement applicable for different levels. So you just have to click any of these questions that are related or applicable to the grade level that you are handling. In my case, I am handling ninth grade or grade 9 students, so I will be selecting this one. So it says here that it is applicable for 9th to 12th grade students. So how do we exactly add quiz? So uh, in this side, you will see the question, the set of question about subject-verb agreement that is applicable for 9th to 12th grade. So how do you add the question if you liked it and if you think it is according to the capabilities of your students? Simply by clicking add. For example, this first question, you think it's very easy and it can be it is applicable to the level of your students. You just have to click add and this will be automatically added to the questions or to the quiz that you are trying to make. Let's say number 2 is also very easy. You think it's very easy, so just click add. And the same with number 3. Think it's also very easy and can be easily answered by your students, so click add. So let's say the next one you think it's a little bit hard, so you do not want to add it anymore. You can also explore the other questions for other levels. So this is for 10th grade, but this question, I think it's still within the capabilities of my grade 9 students, so I can also add this one. So far, we have already added 4 questions. There you have it, the 4 questions. Now, if you wanted to add more question, but you wanted to add question that you make your own or that you personally make, you just have to click add question. Now, what type of question? Anyway, you can actually still, if you have changed your mind, you wanted to ask for help from AI, you can actually generate similar question or generate questions on topic, and it will still show you possible questions that you can add to your set of question. But if you do not want to do that and you wanted to create your own question, just click create question and click multiple choice, and it will lead you to this page. Now here, you just have to type your own question. So let's say, Maria belonged to the market yesterday. And below, you will see 4 boxes with different colors. So you will type here the options for your question. The options can also be generated using AI, or you can just write down or type down your own options. Let's say first option is go, the second one is goes, third one is went, and the fourth one is to go. Now, there is also an option wherein you can have single correct answer or make multiple correct answer. In this case, this one is only a single correct answer, and do not forget to check the correct answer. Anyway, above here, you can also assign points for each item. So since this one is very easy, it's a 1-point item, you can also assign the time limit for each item. So I think this one is still very easy. It can be answered within 10 seconds. So if you're already confident with the question that you have created and the answer that you have selected, just click save question. And anyway, before we do that, you can actually add explanation to why is the correct answer went. But if you do not want to do that, just click back to question and proceed to saving it. Now, there you have it. We have already created 5 questions. 1 from your own question and the rest taken from the already made questions prompted to us. So if you wanted to add more, you can basically click add question. If you're already contented with the number of items, you can proceed with publishing it. Okay. When you click publish, do not forget to add the quiz title. So since I have already used quiz number 1, I will use quiz number 2 for this one. Do not also forget to select the subject. This one is an English subject item, and also the grade level. Grade 9. Okay. So here, you can restrict it. Could be for everyone, or sorry about that. It can be publicly visible. You can also add cover image for your test question. Let's just do it again. Sorry. Ayan. Okay, and proceed with publish. So just wait for it to finish. And there you have it. Anyway, the question is, how will this quiz appear to your students? And this is the answer. question will automatically reshuffle. So students will have different options and different answers. Okay. So there you have it. That is how easily you can create question. Now, what about the class? How are you going to invite or to create a class? So it's very easy. So I also tried creating one sample class. I am handling grade 9 Acacia. So in creating a class, you just have to click create a class, then enter the class name, or you can simply use it's either the section name or the subject. Let's say English 9, Nara. Then click create class and it will automatically be added to your create class. Then how are you going to add students? Just click this one and you can send this link to your group chat or share the code so that your students can access your quizzes. Okay. Or the activities that you have uploaded. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something using the quiz site. Thank you, everyone.